Hi everyone, this is Yossi from Dcreatorcourse.com. One of the most common questions is how to create a good squeeze page for free. So if you're just beginning your online business and you're on a tight budget, this video is for you. I'm going to show you two free tools that you can use to create simple and effective squeeze page in just a few minutes. So the first thing you need is the host to your future email list. So I recommend you use MailChimp as it's the only one you can use completely free up to 2,000 subscribers, and I like it the most. So open an account in MailChimp, you can just sign up free here and we'll use it later in this video. So the first option to create a squeeze page for free is for those who already have a website that's powered by WordPress. So I recommend you to use a simple free plugin called WP Lead Plus X. This is a great plugin for creating simple squeeze page for free with comfortable drag and drop interface. So let's add it to our site. Let's click on plugins and then add new. In the search here, write down WP Lead Plus X. And you'll see it here. You just click install now and it's installed, and activate. Now you can see it's been added here at the left, so let's click on it and make pages. Now this is a simple drag and drop interface, so you have all the elements here on the left. Now to be able to add elements to your squeeze page, you need to add rows first. So let's add one here. Now you can add a video or an image to appear in your squeeze page. To add a video, you just drag it here to the top row or to the bottom, whichever you like. Then you should click on this small pencil icon to edit, and you just paste here your YouTube video URL. You can choose to hide the info, the title from YouTube, to hide the controls bar, and if you want it to be autoplayed as soon as someone comes to the page. You can delete any element by clicking this icon here and then click yes, delete it. I can add an image also to appear here the same way. Just drag and drop it and click here on this edit icon and change image. Now you can select images you already used on WordPress, or you can upload files from your computer. I'll just use this one for now. Now I want to add some text below the image, so I'll just drag and drop this text box here. Let's write something here. Again, click on the edit icon and let's write something. Learn how to create squeeze pages for free. And I'll center it and choose another font, a bigger font. You can also bold it or change the color if you want. And that's it. Now let's add our sign up form. As I said, you need first to add row here and then just choose form and drag and drop it here. Now when you move the mouse over, you'll see two editing options. So let's start from the form container. Click on the edit here, and here I need to put my form code. This code I take from MailChimp, which if you remember, we opened an account earlier. So let's go to MailChimp and see where we can find this code. So when you're at MailChimp, you just click here on lists. Okay, you'll get to this page, and then you click on this arrow here and sign up forms. Then you click embedded form. Here on the left, choose you want to show only required fields, which is the email address, and we can take those marks off. We don't need them. We don't need to include form title as well. Now you have the code here, you just copy it, go back to your plugin and paste it here. Now you can see the email section has been added along with a button here. So this one I won't need the text section, so just delete it. Now you can add the text that will appear here. If you move over the mouse over here and you see this small edit button, I can write down here what I want to be shown. So your email goes here, something like that. And if I want label to appear above, so I can use it too. This case I won't. I'll just leave it this way. And you can edit the text on the button as well. I'll use watch video now. And basically this is it. You can play and add more elements if you want. I really suggest you to keep it simple. After you finish, you just click here on page and you select a title for your page. I'll just call it test for now, and then you can click on save as page, and you see the page has been saved. You can now just go to your WordPress panel and see how it looks like. You just go here to pages and you see here the test page. Just click on view, and this is our page that we have just created. Now you can sign up to see if everything works well. As you can see, almost finished. I'll get a confirmation email address to confirm there, and then I'll be added to the list. So it's working and it's connected to MailChimp, as you can see. Now the real disadvantage of this free plugin is the background, which can only be changed in the Pro version. You can add image or a video. For one side, the license costs $15, so it's not too much if you're on low budget, but I suggest to try the free version first. You can still make nice quiz pages with it, so give it a go. Now, for those of you who doesn't have a website, you have a solution. I recommend you to use Wix, which is also a free tool that offers you to host your page on their system. So it's the perfect solution if you're a beginner and just want to experience the process. You can find a link to join Wix here or in the description. It's totally free. You just click here on start now. You can sign up with Google or Facebook or fill in the details here. I'll sign in with Google. You'll be logged in. You just click on create your website. Select if any suits you. I'll select other. And start with Wix editor. Now we need to choose a template. Here on the left you have a list of templates, and on the bottom you'll find landing pages, which is what we need. You can select anyone you like here from this list. I'll go for this one. Just click on edit. Opens a new page, loading up. Now first I suggest you to move the header. Okay, you just click on it and then delete. Also the footer, just click and, or you can delete, or you can click on this icon here. I delete them both because in a squeeze page they are not needed. Now this is also drag and drop interface, so I can just move the elements here, sort them out however I want. So I'll just do that now for a second. Delete anything you think is not needed. Just take this here. The picture will be about here. So just organize everything the way you think it should look. Delete unnecessary stuff. Now here on the top left, you can select to change the background. You can choose a color or image or a video background. You can also upload your own. I'll just select here from what Wix offers for free. I'll choose this one. Now also here on the top left, you have the options to add elements to the page. Just like before, you have many options here. For now, I'll add a title, a site title, or page title, doesn't really matter. Let's delete this image for now. I'll just call it create free squeeze pages, and I'll make it so it will appear on the same row, and you can take it to the middle. It will show you where the middle is. You just move it, and there you go. And I'll center it. You can change the font. You can add effects like shadow and stuff, which is also nice. Make the text a little bit bigger if you want. Now let's edit this text box here. You can also change the design. So I'll choose this one. You can also edit the text. So let's write here learn. I'll also make it in the center. Maybe make it smaller. You can change the font. That looks nice, and I can also add an effect if I want. If not, I just close it. You can also add social links here. You just click on it twice and it pops a window. And just gonna delete Google and Twitter because I'm not gonna add them. In this case I'm going to add only Facebook, so I just click on it and click here, and I'll just paste my Facebook page URL here. Just take it from here and paste it here. I want it to open a new window. I'll click done and again, and that's it. Now let's edit the sign up form, make it look better. So just click twice to edit it, and it asks you for your email address. Now here you should write your email to receive sign up notifications. This is the disadvantage of this tool. Wix does not integrate with MailChimp, so you'll just need to add them manually in MailChimp each time. Let's go back to MailChimp. I'll show you. You can just click here on add subscribers and add a subscriber to add them manually. You can also import subscribers if you have a list of them in Excel file or something like that. So let's go back to Wix. Fill in my email address here to receive notifications when someone signs up. Here I'll choose what info do I need. So basically I really need just the email, so I'll take this down. I want to change the button. Yes, I'll write watch video now. Now you can choose what to show after the subscription. So you just click here and edit the message. Thank you for your subscription. And this will appear when someone signs up to your list. Now let's move here to design. You can select any look you want from this list, how you want your form to appear. I'll just choose this one, and you can also customize the design to change the layout if you want it to appear differently. This one looks nice, but I chose this one. Okay, now it looks better. And you can change the colors to whatever you think is better, and fill background if you think is needed. And that's it. You can change it as much as you want until you're satisfied. Remember, you can move everything just until you feel you're happy with the result, and then you just click save. You can choose the name of the URL that will appear, or you can connect it to your own customized domain, but if you have a website of your own, I suggest you to use the plugin we talked about before. And save and continue. You can just click done here and then publish. And that's it, your page is published. You can use this URL to visit it. You can click preview here to see the result. Now as long as you're using the free version of Wix, this and this will appear all the time. But for the beginners, as I said, it's good enough to use it. So that's it for this video. Those were 2 ways that you can build free squeeze pages in just few minutes. I hope you'll benefit from this video. I really appreciate you took the time to watch it. If you would like to get more tips and guides, you can subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.